Don't go too close.
Mom, don't.
Show them what you're dressed in today. You dressed yourself, right?
Who's that? That looks like a freaky man, you know. Why is that baby there? What are you doing? I got one.
Come on, it's your turn. What's that? White chicks and gang signs.
I got one. No, you're not singing.
Hurry up, sing. Sing that song.
I can't sing it.
Why?
Eva's not around.
Why? Where's Eva?
Behind the kitchen.
Show us your little cute dress. Back up, I can't see.
My dress. You can't see the feet though.
And where are you going this afternoon?
I'm going swimming.
Where are you going swimming at?
Regis. Jerry's gonna pick me up though.
And what kind of swim is it?
I don't know.
Who's that over there trying to talk shit? Look at all of a sudden she's cooking, taking over the cooking.
Bye.